Dwight, are you sick?
Michael, my immune system is...
Go to the conference room. Go! We are now in quarantine. You cannot leave.
Michael, are we gonna die?
Yes. Michael, you can't tell people they're gonna die.
That's it. I'm out of here.
I'm so lonely.
As a kid, I had mad cow disease. I used to have diabetes. I don't think I have it anymore. We need holy water.
No, Angela, what are you...
You, Ryan, I hope you don't have germs.
Michael, you can't make everyone stay in here forever.
Get out of here. You are a germ.
Michael, don't. Ow.
Everyone leave. I'm tired of being here.
Wait, Jim, where are you going? Well, snap.